How to add music to a video in VN Video Editor app. So let's get started. Adding music to a video in VN Video Editor is easy. So first of all, launch the VN Video Editor app on your mobile device. Once inside the VN Video Editor app, tap on the plus button to create a new project. Once you tap on the plus button, you will have to browse through your gallery to select the video you want to edit, and all you have to do is tap next to process. Scroll down and look for the video and tap on it. Once you select the video you want to edit, in the edit section, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your video first of all. And once done so, all you have to do is, you can see timelines option available there with the different options. You can also see the music timeline. Tap to add music option available at the top right above your video. And all you have to do is tap on that timeline in order to add the music. So basically, if you have music available on your phone, then you can add from the phone as well. Tap on the sound. Or if you don't, then you can use the VN Video Editor app music in order to add the music for a video. I do not have any music available on my phone, so I'm using the music available in this app. You can see there are various genre options available. Scroll down and tap on the one, and once downloaded you can see use option available there, and once you tap on the use, it will be navigated to the timeline of your video. Now once there, you can simply trim the music or you can trim the video, and that is it. Now all you have to do is tap on the go option available at the top right corner of your screen to export this video. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.